Cheers, Tom. Go on, Tom. Bloody filthy. Look at that.
Jay?
Yeah?
I don't know why it's repeating every time now.
Yours is?
Everything I say is repeated now, whatever you've done in the helmet.
Ah, right, I know what it is. It's because the microphone's just too close together, the Cardo mic and the GoPro mic. I'll have to sort it out. It's good that you told me that.
So it might be like that on the footage?
No, it's not, because I don't record what you hear. I only record what you say. Welcome back, everyone. Good evening and welcome to this video that's going to be very exciting, as it usually is. We're going to bike night tonight, but a different bike night for once. One that we went to last year, Damerald's, the Honda and Suzuki dealer. And again, it was a last minute thing. I was watching a chase. This happened the other night. This happened on Tuesday actually, Baz. You rang me.
What?
You rang me on Tuesday when it was the final part of the chase. Oops, bump.
You know, you got your own lane.
You knob. Dickhead. Alright. Yeah, he rang me when it was the final part of the chase to go to bike night on Tuesday. And then tonight, again, just on the couch, having a cup of tea. Final part of the chase, and he calls me to see if we want to go here last minute. What time is it? 6:25. That was at 5 to 6, so that's not so long to get ready.
Probably going to be shut when we get there.
Yeah, do I just go the direct way there and then the different way back? Yeah, so when we get on the A30, I'll turn the camera off because it's shit on the A30. That bike event at BMW tomorrow, Saturday, is starting at 9:30, and as I said, that's too early. If you know what route they're taking, let us know the route, because you know it's an hour and a half to get there, and they're setting off at 9:30. It's just too much of a mission, isn't it?
Yes, you'd have to leave at like 7:45.
And then by the time you get there, you've done 70 odd mile. I'm going to message Greg later. Well, I've already messaged him to see what the route is. If the route comes a bit towards us, then it might be worth meeting him. But if it just carries on north of Plymouth, then I don't think it's going to be a go-go. Are you stopped? I swear on the... Oh, Baz, check what's flapping on my back. It's not me, my chin strap.
Hey, lead.
What is it?
Yeah.
Can't leave home without that, boy. Just a heads up for people, we've got like quite a few videos now, so we're quite a few weeks ahead. So from this moment, we've got like 4 or 5 weeks worth of videos. So I'm going to ask for a sponsor, but the sponsor won't be available for like 5 or 6 weeks, or maybe longer.
You're allowed to use both lanes? No.
Oh, you can now, can't you? When it's...
Well, it's got no overtaking there, but that's just for cars, isn't it?
Yeah. Doesn't say motorbikes. Who could we have sponsoring this video, lads?
Pardon?
Who could we have sponsoring this video? We could have Boris and Evo. They've not sponsored a video in a while. They won't be happy with it, but they'll have to deal with it. So thanks to Boris and Evo for sponsoring tonight's video. Without them, it wouldn't be possible.
Oh, no, Jay won't be able to take his turn to buy the petrol, which is in a minute.
Whoa, hang on a minute. Oh crap, it isn't it? You got that cheap one.
Oh?
Yeah, I got the 50 quid one, you got the 34 quid one.
Well, I got it yesterday.
Yeah, that was 34 quid. The cheap one. It wasn't yesterday, it was Tuesday.
Biker Guys Official could sponsor it.
Oh, my Stacey could sponsor it.
Yeah. Oh, well.
Yeah, the Biker Guys Official is sponsoring this video, as well as Evo and Boris. Oh, Stacey won a Rorock helmet. EXO one or something, or EXO or whatever it is.
How did she win it?
Well, I was talking to Dave about it, and basically his mouth's sore. He's got a sore jaw. They went to some event, didn't they? And Rorock were there. And I think they entered a competition and done a lot of sucking. Stacey won the contest, so I said I've got a competition for when they come down here. Wait, so did I say thanks to Stacey, to my Stacey and Dave? Anyway, thanks to my Stacey and Dave, this other fella. And why not go and see their channel? It's an up and coming great channel. Don't too many go and look at it though, because I don't want them overtaking me. I'll put a link in the description, and I'll also flash it up on the screen. Dave, you owe me big time for this, and especially Stacey owes me big time. So we'll work something out when you come down here. Do you know, like, we introduced this video like we're going to bike night. We go to bike night, there's nothing on the video about bike night, but still, I introduce it as bike night or whatever it is we're doing. I suppose that's the fun, innit?
There's another bike night if you want to find that one where the guy drives in.
Oh, that's in Newquay, innit, where it's supposedly nice food or something.
Yeah, and the guy rides a lady's directing him in.
Yeah, we're going...
Open.
Open! Yeah. At least he's turning right, he might leave that right and left clear.
And I nearly dropped my bike then.
Wait, slow down, Baz. Go slow, let it clear up.
Man, I nearly dropped my bike.
Are you still worried about it? Oh, this would be a good right-hand too.
Why did that guy stop then?
I've no idea. It's annoying, I'll tell you that.
That was the closest I've come to dropping this bike, boy.
Well, did you do any sudden movements that will be on camera that you nearly dropped it?
I know, boy, it hurt my tennis elbow.
Here we are, pulling off, going to bike night, nothing will happen. Actually, do you know what might happen one day when we go to one of these? We might just pull up and someone comes over and just headbutts me for calling him a knob.
What?
And someone just headbutts me for calling him a knob that I don't know about.
That's the only problem, isn't it?
Yeah. And you know what I'd do if they did headbutt me? Oh, Christ! I'd just go, you knob. Alright, knob. Bloody Christ! Just park on the outskirts here.
Yeah. Oh, that kid on a scooter on his own, bus.
No, he's talking to his mates. It is busy here. Getting a cup of tea as well.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to park behind this. What's this? HRC. Let's go to bike night. So it turns out the guy in the Honda that we parked up behind is only a bloody subscriber in us. Came over talking to us, and he's going to tag along for the journey home. What?
Yeah.
Oh, just checking your mic's on. Can you believe it? Pouch again. I'm gonna bin that pouch. Oh, look at his indicator in the light. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Seems a nice lad, doesn't it?
Yeah, he does. And it turns out as well that we've done work for the same people.
Oh, you can hear how men that bike is. My favourite bike, that, I'm telling you.
Oh, I didn't even get his name. What was his name?
I want to say Tom, but I'm not sure.
Well, we're going to call him Tom, and they'll probably watch the video. There's Tom in the mirror there, pointed at my plate.
How did you get away with your number plate?
It was just available on the DVLA site.
Oh, fair.
250 quid.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's alright, isn't it? There's another one on there for 400 quid.
Is there?
Yeah. What was your name?
Ian.
Ian. It wasn't Tom.
Ian, I told you it was Ian.
He seems like quite a nice lad, that Tom, doesn't he?
Ian.
I said I'm going to call him Tom.
I've got to be back in 5 minutes.
Aye, what's happening in 5 minutes? Oh, for your tea? Your diet tea?
Yeah. So Rachel will be back at 8.
Baz is on a strict diet. Go on, you can do all of them. Go.
See?
Yeah.
Car coming now, boy.
I hope Tom's alright. Yeah, he's alright.
Every time I go over a hill like that, I think of that guy that went into the back of a car.
What, on Kingsway? Near Tesco's?
His head come off. Yeah.
Hey, I didn't know his head came off.
Oh, whatever happened, he ended up on the back seat of a car or whatever.
Yeah, I was in school when I heard about that. I'm sure I heard it was someone in school's boyfriend or something.
Do you know the story with it?
Wanted test riding it, or he'd just bought it?
Sold in the bike. The guy wouldn't even pay the bike or anything, and then he rode it home down Kingsway and went over a hill, and there was traffic backed up at the back, the other side of the hill.
Yeah, and he just went straight into it.
He went into the back of the car and went through someone's windscreen or whatever.
Yeah, I remember hearing about that in school. Tomorrow's video, that is actually getting released now, which will be, oh bloody hell, it'll be a long time ago. it'll be 4 weeks ago when I brought a bike for a service, and I spoke about getting a double R. By the time you watch this video, I'm not doing that, I was dodger. By the time you watch this video, I might have made a decision. At this point, I'm still thinking about it.
Well, thinking about what?
Getting a double R, a red one.
If you want a double R, but...
They're mint though, aren't they?
They are mint, but why would you want a sports bike?
I'll just have to test ride one to see if they've changed from when I last rode yours.
No, they're exactly the same.
Nah.
Oh shit coming out of that car there now.
They're better than the one you had. And also, I asked the viewers or subscribers to vote whether I should get one or not, so I still don't. I asked the subscribers or whoever watches the video to vote whether I should get one or not. Just say yes or no in the comments. I bet no one... the video is tomorrow, so I'm going to find out tomorrow what everyone votes, if anyone votes. And if no one votes, the knobs.
Just got to shut the F up, Jay.
Oh, you didn't swear? You purposely didn't swear then?
I think I might look at a Kawasaki 400.
No, what's reminded me of it was, it came up on Motorrad or whatever it was today. It had a picture of a black one and it said 2,500 deposit and 187 quid a month on 3.9% APR.
You better get sucking some D, boy.
So I don't know whether to do that or not.
Just wait for Ian or Paul, what's he called? Tom?
Paul?
Ian.
No, Tom. Or if he comes on the A30 with us, he could have a 321, couldn't we, with a CBR 600?
Yeah, could do.
And then Tom could show all his buddies.
Ain't happened.
I don't mind that one. It's this one I'm unsure of because of how bumpy it is. It's too bumpy, that one.
I'll have to go back, man.
Why?
I've lost my phone.
No, you haven't. Right.
It's hanging out my pocket, I swear to God.
Zip it up, boy. I would have seen it drop out anyway. What are you doing, man? What are they doing? I'm sure my engine braking's set on the minimum.
Yeah, I think it is, Baz, because as soon as I roll up, you roll up, you catch.
You can't change it while you're going, can you? I know, yeah, I thought it was on full. Oh no, you can't change it while you're going. I'll have to set a reminder to do that, won't us?
Ring Rachel, Baz, and tell her that I'm on my way home for us. So we'll be home at about 25 past half past.
Call Rachel St. Ives.
Calling Rachel St. Ives. Mobile.
Always makes me like that. Makes me laugh that. But it just cut off as soon as she answered it, cut off. Oh, it's ringing again. Rachel?
Yeah?
Mark just told me to ring you and say that we're on our way, we're nearly home now.
Oh right, well, should I open the garage? I'm opening it. Well, it's nearly home.
Well, say we're nearly home, we're just leaving Red Roof.
Alright, I'll close the garage then, because I'm taking the dog out.
Okay. And he says please don't shout at him for being late.
Oh no, I won't shout. I'm beyond shouting, tell him.
Okay.
If this goes in your video,
yeah,
let the world know that sometimes Peter Perfect is a dick.
Oh.
And lets the whole team down.
Uh-oh.
Alex bringing in. No, it's totally fine. I'm just taking the dog out anyway. So.
Right, okay, that will be in the video though, Rachel.
No, don't, no.
Yeah, she's alright. She's just taking the dog for a wee. I've got something in my eye. I don't know how I've got something in my eye, but I've got something in my eye.
It's probably tears, bud.
Did he pull in? Oh no, he's coming past. Oh no, it's that double R.
What is it?
A double R. I think it's Tom's mate. There he goes. See you. Oh, he's doing it. Let's see if Tom's having a go here. Tom! Hey there! After free. Oh, come on, Tom. I thought you'd have got a better start than that.
It's a brand new double R as well. Brand new with a full wing across the front. Oh, shut off, mate. Shit.
Lucky we weren't doing 10.2s then. Is that a DWT van? yeah. I seen yous went, because I seen you was somehow doing communications, and I seen yous both go at the same time. I'm telling you, every time we do like 30 to 60, or 30 to 70, because it is 70 road, every time we do that, you get in my way.
And then your alarm clock goes up and you wake up in your mum's spare bed, boy.
You heard that Honda?
Yeah, it's meant. Not that I don't one like that loud, but it is meant. Just the sound of a 4-cylinder with a, you know, Japanese 4-cylinders, absolutely meant, I think.
Like those Suzuki GSX-R 600s in black and orange, aren't they? Oh dear, oh dear. Is there horses in the back of that? Oh, there is.
You gotta turn your exhaust off.
Turn you off.
Is he going, this kid?
I think so, yeah. Cheers, Tom! Go on, Tom. I get emotional at this part now of the video.
You get what?
I get emotional at this part of the video now.
Why?
Because I know it's coming to an end and I'm not going to be able to watch another video for a week, and I'm just going to miss these guys. Am I right or what?
Something like that.
Yeah, it's along those lines. Oh, he's going to be going, this Fiesta. It's not Fiesta, is it?
It is, yeah.
Sure it's not Focus? Oh, he's doing it. He's doing it.
Brake for?
What did he brake for then? Was there a rabbit in the road? Another rabbit? Oh. So I'd like to say thanks to the members, especially the members get a thank you. These guys, and thanks to everyone else for watching. That was a nice wheelie bin.
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah,
I've got this band up as well.
I've not. Get out of the way.
Go on then.
Oh no, you've messed me up now. Oh, you mean the left bend?
Yeah.
$41.
Yeah.
38.
Hey, very bad girl.
What's down there? Does she not know it's you?
Cat.
Ah, right.
Hey, Chuck, come here. Evo. Come here, Bubble.
Ta-da! We will see you next week for some more fun and joy. Straight to me. Good girl. That's right, you know who your daddy is.